Our business is small local bakery, which is located at Icro Melaka, owned by 4 Sweet Friendship, which is me, Shazwani, Atika, Haikal, and Fatiha. We are specialized in making cakes, cupcakes, cookies, any wedding door gift. Okay, our mission is to be a success bakery house that will be a same level with the well-known baking house. Our operating hour every Tuesday until Sunday at 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. We also provide facilities, mini library, free internet, and we are focusing on making mini box dessert. It's easy for our customer to bring or to eat inside the cafe. Okay, next slide about our company profile. Sweet by Shaf. It stands for our name from a 4%, which is like I said just now. S stands for Shazwani, H for Haikal, A for Atika, and F for Fatiha. Our logo is represent the dessert, which is our main product, which is dessert. Our company established at 8 June 2018, that located at Icro Melaka. Our target is locals and tourists looking for an affordable price of dessert. So we also finding our suppliers that can give the best price for us, so that we can sell our dessert at the affordable price. So the next slide is about our products. We're making a simple and tasty, fresh, also of course a premium dessert. Its packaging also suitable for 1 or 2 packs for serving. The flavor that we provide is a fresh fruits, homemade jams that we made it by ourselves, like as a strawberry shortcake, tiramisu creamy, mango lassi cakes. It's made from fluffy sponge vanilla cake, layered with cream cheese. Our jams is a signature recipe, our signature products that people always buy at our shop. Okay, go to the last slide about the comparison between the differences between our shop with the well-known bakery shop, which is Secret Recipe. So there is the difference between ingredients that we are using. We are using a fresh and premium ingredients that we made fresh bake. Once our customer custom our cake, then we will make it at that time. Okay, the difference between Secret Recipe, they are making in a production, in a manufacture, so they will put their cake with the stock 2 to 3 months, so that their cakes are not very fresh actually. So about the price, our price is reasonable and affordable, of course, compared to others, because we are using the premium products and we are making the fresh made cake. So our competitor, Secret Recipe, they are quite expensive, but the cake are ready stock cake, so it's not a fresh cake. Thank you.
Next, I will talk about marketing plan. Sweet by Shaf are focused on fulfilling customer needs and satisfaction. So here we are launching our new service. It is a customer making order by visit our link web. Okay, this one is marketing analysis. This is important aspect on marketing. At here we are focused on target market, size competition, market share dengan end market strategies. Here we are focused on our customer. So our customer are mostly from Kuala Lumpur and Selangor. And then mostly there are students and a local residents. We are focused on 4P. So here we have a product, pricing, place, and promotion. Now I will explain to you one by one. First is product. Product, we are allow customer to customize their cake or dessert based on their reference. This is one of advantage of Sweet by Shaf. So this for here, for example, customer can choose what theme they want or what color of their cake, what flavor of their cakes. Okay, number 2 is pricing. So Sweet by Shaf provide cake and dessert which within a reasonable price and high quality of product or service. Next is place. Okay, we are based on Kuala Lumpur because our product, our position is close to our supply. Next is promotion. Okay, we have a sale promotion on every season. For example, Hari Raya. And mainly we are focused on wedding, door gift, or a birthday celebration. Advertisement, we using a social media, mobile application, business card, and online advertisement. So from here we will gain more promotion in our business. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Akal Hakim bin Sadri. So for the next subtopic is the operation and production plan. The act of creating a roadmap for the design and production of a product or services is known as the operation or production planning. Operation and production planning aid businesses in making their manufacturing process as efficient as possible. Development planning begin as a way to improve the manufacturing process, but it is now used in a variety way to improve the design, production, and the delivery of software. In order to ensure that the production process is efficient and meet the demand of both customers and organization, it is necessary to plan production in advance. So for the next is a location. When it comes to promoting a product or services, place planning is crucial to its overall success. When it comes to marketing, location strategy describes how and where a firm will position its product and services in order to increase market share and customer sales. There are many different types of distribution strategy, and this include physical store as well as online store, as well as any other way through which the firm might contact clients. So next is the premises arrangement. At Sweety by Shaf, we have arranged our store space so that customer can easily see the product displayed in the showroom. This also allow our management to keep track of our progress more effectively. We have decided to integrate our office space with our retail space in order to save cost and maximize space use. It is also more easy to us to deal with our potential customers, whether they are placing a bespoke order or walking into the store. So for the timing for our operation is from Tuesday to Sunday, 10 a.m. 7 p.m. and Monday is a rest day and close day. So in the Tuesday to Sunday, 2 p.m. to 30 p.m. is rest for our staff. So for the next subtopic is the production output rate. In the manufacturing industry, the term of production rate refers to the number of a good that can be produced in a given amount of time or period of time. To put it in another way, the production rate is also defined as the amount of time it takes to produce one unit of good or service. Companies frequently strive for a high production rate in order to reduce the time and cost associated with the project or the manufacturing process. While a quicker pace of production may be beneficial, it may also result in a higher level of quality degradation if more mistakes are made as staff to raise to have a more unit manufactured or more of a structure constructed. There is a point in the process where a decrease in quality can result in higher cost, even though in the production process is taking less time as a result of the decreased quality. Other than that is our calculation for capacity output per month, per day, and per hour. Our output per hour is a 15 unit per hours, and output per day is 120 unit per day, and output per month is 3,120 unit per month. So for the next subtopic is the quality control and the production control. We are concerned about the quality of our goods and materials, and we monitor the quality of incoming and existing product or material in a regular basis in our manufacturing. We strive to provide product and services of the highest quality that exceed the expectation of our client and consumers. In order to preserve and increase the high quality of our product and services, we taught our employees who work in the production line to guarantee that the final product are standardized among themselves. One of the plan we use is the FIFO, first in, first out. To maintain the freshness, the ingredient we use in highly controlled. All workers are obligated to take a food handler training program in order to fully expose to food manufacturing environment for safety and food regulation. So for the next is the supply chain. In the food sector, the efficiency of the supply chain is crucial to both profitability and food quality and safety. Each link in the food supply chain, such as farmer or packing facility, suffer when one of the link isn't working at a top capacity. This has knock-on effect on every other link in the chain. Technology advancement in supply chain management have enabled food businesses who are ready to experiment with a new procedure to develop more intelligent and efficient method of production. Using technology to simplify your operation and manage your supply chains allow you to maintain complete control over the whole process, resulting in increased customer confidence and consistency in production. Knowing how to recognize these management trends and comprehend the implication of these trends for your own company operation will guarantee that you are utilizing the resource necessary to build a profitability supply chain. As for Sweety by Shaf, the strategy plays contribute high potential to access raw material because the store is at the center of the other supply store. For example, baker supply store, packaging store, and others.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Atika and I will show you for the financial plan. As we know, financial plan has been the most crucial part in any business company development. So what I will show you is the Sweety by Shaf financial plan that we have discovered, and I just want you to know that financial plan is a very important part in a business, not even just in a business but in our daily life. This to avoid any mistake during our money management, so to make sure our life is getting better and also business runs smoothly. So for the first financial plan is the startup cost. Startup costs are the expenses incurred during the process of creating a new business. Like Sweety by Shaf, it is a new business. So for the pre-opening startup costs include a business plan, research expenses, borrowing costs, and expenses for technology. So as you can see in your left is where the Sweety by Shaf startup costs. Next is the working capital. Working capital refers to the difference between a company's current assets and liabilities. Current assets are the things a business owns that can be turned into cash within the next 12 months, while current liabilities are the costs and expenses the business incurs within the same period. So as you can see in your left is the working capital for the Sweety by Shaf. The third financial plan is the startup capital. The term startup capital refers to the money raised by a new company in order to meet its initial costs. Entrepreneurs who want to raise startup capital have to create a solid business plan or build a prototype in order to sell the idea. So this is our startup capital cost, which is it costs 130,000, and our equity or share and venture capital is 50,000, while loan is 100,000. So the loan need 10 years for the loan duration. Cash flow is a statement shows actual cash inflows and outflows of a business over a specified period of time. Usually, it takes a month or a quarter. The statement then compares cash received to cash spending to determine if a business is cash flow negative or positive. As you can see in your left, the Sweety by Shaf cash flow is all in positive number. So as you can see, cash inflow and the cash outflow as follows. So next, the income statement. An income statement summarizes your revenue and costs and shows your net profit in your business plan. So for the Sweety by Shaf income statement, it shows that it has 5 years of period, and then it has production costs statement, and also the income statement. It shows the different two parts where there is the raw materials for the production cost, and also the cost of sales and the gross profit that can be concluded at the below, which is the net profit accumulated. The last part for the financial plan is the balance sheet. So after we have gathered all the statement, we need to balance our financial sheet. So it is a financial statement that summarizes your company's asset, what you own, your liabilities, your equity, and the balance sheet doesn't show trends, but instead it shows the financial state of a company at a specific point in time. So this is a Sweety by Shaf balance sheet in your left. As you can see, it has been divided for 5 years period, and it has the total assets and the total equity and liabilities as shows. Next is Sweety by Shaf project milestones. Milestones is a key event or action in a project or your business journey that marks a significant stage of progress. So this is the Sweety by Shaf project milestone, where it takes months or even a year for Sweety by Shaf to develop this business company. So as you can see, the incorporation of the venture, it takes about a year to gather all the information, to make all the ideas, and then the completion of design and development takes 6 months, because these four members really helps each other, and we really take it seriously and manage to finish it for 6 months. So the completion of prototypes take 2 months, and others is in a month and 2 months of period until it delivered for our first customer. As for the conclusion, Sweety by Shaf has discovered that we need to develop new recipe into our menu. So within the 5 years or 10 years, we need to change our menu, update our menu, so that our customer can try new experience tasting and flavoring our product. So next is create a marketing creativity. Marketing is a very important part in a business plan, where marketing helps to promoting our business company to the customers. So if you're not ready for marketing, our business might not get the exact amount of sales that we need to achieve within a year. So next is we need to study more in business plan. Even though we have success within these 5 years or 10 years, knowledge is very important for us to keep improving, to get the best service to our customer. Next is get more innovation skills through time to time. As I mentioned before, we need to develop new recipe into our menu, and also we need to create new environment in our bakery shop. Maybe we need to renovate in our bakery, or try to redesign our interior cafe or our interior bakery shop. And last but not least is gather the opportunity with customers. Customer is very near with us, so without them we are not going anywhere. And with their keep on supporting, and they buy our products, really help us to achieve more. So it is very important for any business company um, to get the best relationship with their customers. So that's all for our video presentation from group 6. Thank you very much.